Hello, hello, hello. Here we go. Here we go. This is from Fansells, and I got quite a few things from Fansells, so I'm going to split it up into a couple of different videos. So this will be part one, and then there will be part two. All right. So are you ready to check this out? This one's a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Let me move it over here real quick. All right. Let's look at this one first. Already has my hair on it. What can I say? All right, let's get it out of the bag. Comes with a toolkit. That'll come with your little toolkit like that. Here's our drills, and here is a wooden base. Love it. Wood. Yes, wood. And this goes in your wooden base. I love this. This is so cool. I love the wooden stuff. Okay, can I get it to go in there? Yeah, there it goes. Well, it's got a little plastic on it, so it's kind of objecting. But look how cute that is. Noel with a little gnome on it. Isn't that cute? All wood. Everything's wood. I love the wood stuff. I really, really enjoy the wood items. I think they are so cool. I just need to complete a couple of them now. Smashing the Specials is coming up in January, and that is going to be my time to just really kick out some stuff. Yes. Okay. Now, come on. There we go. All right. Let's look at our drills. Looks like we have mostly rhinestones, but I think there's some regular drills. Oh, no, they're not regular. They're AB. Okay. So that is a white AB. Very pretty. I'm going to assume for their beard, his beard and the snowflake. I have some gold, some red, some yellow, light gold, green, and then regular black. So those are our drills for that. Super, super adorable, right? I love it. All right. This is a special kick. We are on a kick here of special things. So let's just keep the specials rolling. Keep them rolling. So these are tags. I love this. Had to try some of these. So here's our toolkit. Here's our strings, okay, to hang them with. And in here we have all of our little tags, and there's our drills. Okay, let's look and see what we have. What's in the bag? What's in the bag, man? What's in the bag? Okay, so these are thin. They're plastic still, but they're thin. I'm going to guess they're one-sided. Yeah, they're one-sided. So they're a thin plastic, because they're meant to be a tag. So they're not like keychains or anything like that. But we have candy canes. We have a lollipop. Another lollipop. And they go together. A mint. I'll just call that a mint. Look at this. That is super cute. I like that one a lot. That's cute. Another mint. Reminds me of my grandma. Starlight mints. Always, always, always. Another little candy. Another lollipop. Oh, these ribbon candies. Did you ever eat those ribbon candies? Oh my gosh, they were so good. We always had them in a dish at home. And then some more candy canes. Different candy canes, but candy canes nonetheless. So how cute is all of that, right? Absolutely adorable. Love it. Let's look at the drills. Let's see if my dogs will be quiet because the mail person is coming up to the door right now. Let's see if they stay quiet or if they bark. All right. So we have a whole bunch of clear, which is going to be used for just like the white. So clears. Several different reds. These might be the same. Yep, just 2 bags of the number 3. So there's a lot of those. And some greens and some yellow. We have yellow in here somewhere? Oh, I guess right there on the tree there's some yellows. Okay, perfect. As long as I don't knock, I don't think the dogs will hear them. It's my Black Friday orders, finally, from Diamond Art Club. Yay. So I'm excited. Anyhow, I'll go check them out as soon as I'm done with this. You guys got to get out of my way, though. This would be fun to get some of these done before Christmas, but I just don't know if I'll have time to do that. Put them on some packages. That would be fun. Oh, my goodness. Anyhow, too many things to do. All right. Specials continue. Like I said, this one's all special drills. All right. This is a notebook, and I had to have this. I have this. Oh, my gosh. Do I have this 3 different ways? I know I have it as a regular drill painting. I might have it as a special drill painting. And look at, now I have it as a notebook. I love it. All right, Christmas wishes and gingerbread kisses. I love these guys. They're in love too. Look at, we have the girl, we have the boy. They got their gingerbread cookies, all that fun stuff. Lines or no lines? No lines. Okay, so I don't care. They're so pretty. They're so cute. I love these. Love them. All right, let's, oh my gosh. There's some drills in here, you guys won't believe. Okay, this is going to be fun to do. This will be a ton of fun to do. All right. Let me show you all the fun stuff in here. First of all, start down here at this end. Let's start with clear rhinestones, red rhinestones. Okay, now let's do some AB action. All right, we have blue, smooth ABs, orange, yes, yellow. Okay, there's our 3 ABs. Look at that. If that's not enough fun, there's more fun coming. Hang on. More rhinestones, some little iridescent marquees, some larger marquees, some green faceted, some red smooth, and look at these guys. Love it. I love those. Those are so much fun. Those are cool. It is D, so it's going to be like here and here and here and here. I love that. Oh my gosh, look at those. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh. If I only had enough time to do everything. That hair is still hanging out with us. It's over here now. Come on. Get off. Get off. Okay, there. All right, one more thing to show you. And this one is really cool. When I opened this, I was like, okay, it's a special drill painting, but it is like, bam, it is long. All right, it's narrow. It says it's 80 by 30, so it'd probably be 75 by 25. But look at the birds. I just spent a few minutes just looking at these, trying to figure out the birds. And I don't know. This one down here looked weird. You can't see like his beak very well or anything. He looked like kind of a half a fish or something. And it still looks funny to me. I don't know why, but I think his partner's over here. I think he's a bluebird, honestly. I think it's a bluebird. We have some goldfinches. We have a red-winged blackbird. That's an oriole. I believe this is a cedar waxwing, a robin, cardinals. What's this guy? I think he's supposed to be a hummingbird, but he's awfully large to be a hummingbird. I'm not certain about this one. Might be a purple martin. I don't think it's a blue jay. Anyhow, and then look at all of these 12s, all of these petals, and then the leaves are all big special drills. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Let's look at the drills. I have not opened the drills, so let's see what we get. All right, there's a lot of drills too. Oh man, where do we start? Let's start down here. Okay, so our regular rhinestones, green, orange, black, that's not rhinestone, yellow, clear, red, blue, green, blue, champagne color. Okay, now, I think this is, yeah, this is all the specials, and there's only 2. But, look, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of this green marquee for all the leaves. And then there are 3 bags of the pink teardrops for the flower petals. Isn't that cool? I don't think I've ever gotten a painting with that much. I've never gotten a special drill painting that large either. So we'll just go with that. But isn't that pretty? Look at the colors in there and stuff. I mean, none of this is drilled back here. So none of the fence gets drills. So it's basically the flowers, the birds, a little bit of like the stems and vines, stuff like that. There's more flowers back here that don't get any drills. It's just really pretty. Isn't that pretty? Framing it would be very unique, wouldn't it? Yeah, that'd be interesting, but it's so pretty. All right, so that's the first part of the Fansells haul, all of the special drill stuff. I mean, there may be more special drills in the next part, but this was all special drills. Don't forget, January, join us. Please join us, Brandy, Mystery of Diamonds, and I for Smashing the Specials. all of January, the whole entire month. We're going to be kicking these babies out, man, as quick as we can. I hope you join along and do a couple. All right? Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon, everybody. Bye.